Hey Tim, this is Ben Eric up here in Tuckahoe, New York. I just wanted to let you know that I got my 2003 Ford Mustang GT with only 20,000 miles on it. And life is good, come on.
Oh, what's up, guys? How we doing? So, we had a pretty crazy fourth quarter last year, did we not? We had a lot of good old time truck drivers retire out. Things got rough, and they were just ready to retire out anyway. And a lot of them had older equipment as well. 98 Pete's or older, run old cat motors, 4 miles a gallon or whatever. And anyway, so they sold those trucks for 60 to 100 grand a piece. And crazy money. Anyway, truck prices are through the roof. And I'm currently truck shopping, believe it or not. So I'm in the market for a truck. If you have a good idea or a good lead on a truck, send it to me. But just to clear some things up now, I don't pay elevated prices for anything. I wait for the equipment to come down. I had some trailers and equipment I sold, and had some friends that were selling their equipment contacted me and said, "Hey man, I got this trailer. I bought new in 2017. I paid $28,000 for it. I want to sell it to you for $49,500. You've used the thing for 4 years, made money on it. It's paid for itself, and you wanted to sell it for double what you paid for it. Ridiculous, right? I even I shouldn't say this on air, but had a team worked here, loved them to death, man. Loved that team, did a fantastic job, and now they got their own authority. I gave them a really good deal on the trailer that I bought. 2018 Hyundai. That thing was registered in 2019. But anyway, it was a nice trailer. I paid $32,800 for that trailer, and used it for almost 5 months, I think. And then they came along. Owner financed to them with zero interest. Well, I think for the same terms I had on it. I gave them a smoking deal. I think it was 27,000. Was it 24,000? Whatever it was. Heck of a deal, man. Heck of a deal. And they used it for 2 years now. And they contacted me wanting to sell it. Wonder if I'd be interested. I think it was close to $50,000. That is today's markets. But I would have expected that since I didn't have a solid deal, that they would do me a solid deal. That's just not the case, man. Which is fine. I get today's markets, but why would I sell you something for 24,000, whatever it was, and then buy it back at 50,000? After you used it for 2 years, it just doesn't make sense to me. But I am in the market for a truck. You read the title correct. There's $1,000 sign-on bonus for experienced owner operators to join up. Now's the time to join up, guys. If you're looking to switch, you're not happy where you are, you want complete transparency, we have a great program over here, currently accepting, and we have openings. We're accepting applications, and it's $1,000 sign-on bonus, cash money, tax-free, in your bank account. Come join up. ghorleytrucking at Gmail. That's GHORLEY at gmail.com. There's a ghorleytrucking.com website out there. You can click the jobs tab. It sends me an email. Just leave your contact info so I can reply back. It seems like sometimes when I reply back to those emails, I don't get anything back, and I don't know if you drop the ball or the ball gets dropped. It doesn't respond from that email address. I'm not sure. But get in contact with me. Let's get this thing rolling. Hey, I need a truck. I want a Cummins powered, manual trans. Below 500,000 miles would be fantastic. If it's a pack car, it better be cheap. Better be manual trans. But I am looking for a truck. It could be a plastic truck. It could be a hood truck. I don't really care. I need a truck, Cummins, below 500,000 miles, preferably at a good price, not elevated market price. I mean, you trucks. That Peterbilt I had was 162. That truck now is 280. It's just ridiculous, dude. I mean, I seen some coming down to like 246, 250 on some W9s. a same W9 for $274. It all depends how they're spec'd and which dealership has it. Peterbilt's price through the roof. Even a plastic Peterbilt is $230, $240. It's ridiculous. I think the cheapest one I saw the other day was $209. Guys, you can't pay that and have $3,500, $4,500 a month in truck payment with today's markets. It's not there, and that's why so many of them are going out, and that's why the markets are becoming flooded. And so I'm hoping with the markets getting flooded, the rates or the prices will come down. Anyway, crazy fourth quarter last year. Hopefully, first quarter this year will be a lot better. But there we are with that. Sign-on bonus $1,000. Come join up. Looking to buy a truck. See what you got. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's get this ball rolling for 2023, and we'll see you guys out there on the road soon. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, the t-shirts are doing phenomenal. If you want a t-shirt, contact me in the comments. I'll shoot you my Vimo. It's at Timothy-Gorley. Vimo, send me the money for the t-shirts. $21.95 shipped, and we'll get you a t-shirt in the mail the day of or the day after. We'll get it shipped out to you. You can get the t-shirt, and you'll be supporting that Ghorley Trucking Life is Good shirt there. Come on. But anyway, you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the road. Be careful. Drive safe. I'm going back to work.
Hey Tim, when I'm not watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good, I'm grilling up a big fat ribeye and 2 fillets. Come on,